It's Tuesday. It's going to be a very hot day. Bit of a slow start, but might get back on the buffer again. Oh, the side is still on the shade, so we've done up to this red rope. We'll carry on forward, I think. I've swung the bow of the boat in. We can see here on the left where it's been done, and then towards the bow where it hasn't been. Let's get to work. Right, I've just finished doing basically everything on the line from the top of the black stripe. We'll do our polishing now. Also polished her name. It's 12:30. I've done the entire cut and then polish from the bottom of the black up. So it just needs this lot, and then that's one side done. Not sure I'll get it all done this afternoon. The sun's going to be over here soon. It's 12:30, so it's definitely lunchtime. I decided to just box on in a short period before the sun gets actually on the hull. So started by that fender, just cutting, got to here, and need to carry on that way. Not sure how far we'll get because you can see the sun's on the edge of the dock. The blue comes off the top of the fenders and the bottom and polishes off fine. Another one over there. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning. Some big barges going slowly down harbour against the incoming tide. We've got the big tug on the back, Wainui possibly on the port quarter. WAKAWAKA is starting to spring into flower. The cabbage tree continues in full flower. We're putting the shade sails up soon. Oh, we have the gas cylinder, one of the two now filled, so it should do us for Christmas. And it's a glorious day. I think it's a coffee, and then back to polishing, or cutting, polishing and waxing the starboard side. I don't think you're going to find much sustenance there, my little bee friend. Well, it must have been the Wainui this morning, because here's the other one getting out. It looks like we have the Catamaran on the work berth. Okay, I need to go from this fender to the bow and the cutting, and then we'll come back and polish. Isn't off dock line, so this turns out bows in. Right, cut, polished, waxed and ceramic coat. Well, it's too damn hot now. I've only got to do from the red rope to the stern. Maybe this evening when it cools off a bit, I'll wash the boat down. Isn't going to dust get on it. And filling up the water tanks now, or topping them up. I'll fill the aft one first. Now I have the forward one filled. It's been a struggle, but here, done it. Right, long way to go, but one bit's done. Time to go. It's too damn hot and sunny. It's 27 degrees, hot for us. Although it's a cooling breeze, to be doing things out in the sun. So let's try a one-step cut and polish on these steps. Well, it certainly wasn't heavily oxidised, so it's come up quite well. More cut, polish, and then ceramic coat. On here, which is the floor of the helm station, it's going to need a bit more vigorous cut. I might do that some other time when I've got the hose ready. I might carry on along the backrest along here. So I've done the backrest all the way around here, as it was not significantly oxidised. It just required a light 2-in-1 cut and polish, and then the ceramic coat. So we'll go and have a look at the front cockpit. I want to see if I can just do a light 2-in-1 cut and polish, because if I do a significant cut down, it creates a hell of a mess. I've got to wash off. We'll see how we go. Right, well, here's where I haven't done. Now here's where I have done. Don't know if you can see it, but it probably just needs a little bit longer on the polishing, cutting, but pretty good. Okay, working in this corner now. Another overseas boat coming in. I think we'll just be staying put for a while. Looks like they've, oh no, it's a pushing tug. I don't think it was the one up in the slipway. Could be. It's still on the slipway. Oh look, it's towing a barge with a crane on it.